Good evening, everyone. It is March 6, 2017. We're doing a one box break. The last box remaining in 2014-15 Upper Deck the Cup Hockey one box break number 30. Random teams. This is the last box remaining, box 2 out of the 3-box case. So, before we open up that one box break, let's go to random.org to see how many times we randomize the names and teams with the dice roller. Here are the list of names. Right here. Neil gets last spot mojo, buys out the last 3 spots. Here are the teams. So let's roll the dice. A 4 and a 6, that's 10 times. 10 times on the names first. So let's go 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th and final time. There it is, 10 times. Gregory is right at the top, and Tim Langston is at the bottom. A lot of people did take multiple spots in this break. Pretty sure there are a couple one-spot mojos. 10 times now on the teams. Here they are. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it was a 10, right? Let's make sure. Yes, it was. Good luck, everyone. 10 times. Anaheim Ducks are at the top. Los Angeles Kings at the bottom. That's not right. Gregory, you have the Anaheim Ducks. Neil with the Senators. Neil with the Bruins. Bowman with the Blackhawks. Mike E with the Avalanche. Neil with the San Jose Sharks. Ryan P with the Predators. Bowman with the Islanders. Tim with the Canadiens. Neil, last ball mojo, gets the Florida Panthers. Neil with the Wild. Nick K with the Rangers. Neil with the Flyers. Nick K with the Blues. Neil with the Winnipeg Jets. Gregory with the Carolina Hurricanes. Nat with the Detroit Red Wings. Tim Langston with the Maple Leafs. Nick K, nice, Edmonton Oilers. Tim with the Vancouver Canucks. Neil with the Buffalo Sabres and the Blue Jackets. Ryan with the Stars. Neil with the Penguins. Mike E with the Calgary Flames. Have a chance to get Johnny Gaudreau, Johnny Hockey RPA. Nick K with the Lightning as well as the Coyotes. Dan with the Devils. Tim with the Capitals. And my Los Angeles Kings. So I'm going to pause the video real quick, guys, see if there's any trades. If not, we'll come back and open up this one box break of Cup Hockey 14-15. So stick around, guys. It's going to be great. Welcome back, everyone. There were no trades. A lot of trade offers, but no trades. Yes, he is, dude. He is in the breaker stream. So here it is, guys. Last ball mojo, Neil gets the Panthers. Alright, guys. Box 2 is the third and final box remaining out of that 3-box sealed case. I did put up another 1-box break in the store. If you guys want to get that going, that'll be from a fresh 3-box case. No RPA to 99 in the first 2 boxes. So everybody's thinking it could be in here. Although I know they're not guaranteed. But it could be in a 3-boxer. Here it is, guys. I know, right? That's what we're banking for. Ekblad, any of those RPAs. I just want to pull one. Alright, I'm going to use this blank to make it a little bit suspenseful and cover up the hits. Alright, guys. Good luck. First card is Claude Giroux. 165 of 249 for the Flyers. And that's a hit for Neil and the Philadelphia Flyers. Next one. Nice. Another John Klingberg. We pulled one of these in the first box. Break number 28, I think it was. Rookie auto patch, John Klingberg. 117 of 249. That was a try to trade but didn't trade. Ryan P with the Dallas Stars. Next one. Honorable numbers. Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. 73 of 93 for the Edmonton Oilers. And that's a hit for Nick K. And the Edmonton Oilers. Next one. Brilliance autograph for the Colorado Avalanche, Jerome McGinley. Now a Los Angeles Kings. Or Los Angeles King, I mean. That goes to Mike E. There you go, Mike. One of your two teams hit. Next one. Scott Mayfield. 149 of 249 for the New York Islanders. And that is a hit for Bowman and the Islanders. Well, not so quick yet. Dude, you never know. And again, in another box, we have another redemption. So let's see. Let's see. NHL The Cup base set, rookie auto patch, card number 144, number to 249. There it is. So let's look this guy up really quick. That is Ladislav. Type it in. Unless you guys know where this guy plays for, let me look it up real quick. Is that Lightning still? Yeah, Tampa Bay Lightning. And that goes to Nick K. Alright, guys. I'm going to put this in the paint sleeve. That was the one box break of Cup Hockey 14-15. If you guys want to do 15-16 Cup Hockey, that is down to 15. JaspysHockeyLand.com. I'm Jason. I'll see you guys next time.